Mathletes, welcome back to the Chozen Math Academy. Today we are looking at order of operations and we are using the GEMDAS method. So first I will explain to you what does GEMDAS means. The G means grouping symbols. This means we are solving everything inside parentheses, brackets, braces, or other fraction bars. The E means that we will solve our exponents next by simplifying powers and roots such as squares, cubes, or square roots. Next, we will multiply or divide by performing multiplication and division from left to right as they appear in the problem. A common misconception is that you must multiply before you divide. That is not true. You multiply or divide whichever comes first, starting from the left, then to the right. The same concept goes for addition and subtraction. We add or subtract from left to right. So if addition comes first, we will add before we subtract, as long as we are moving from left to right. So let us try two examples. In this problem, we can see that we have grouping. So I am going to group 2 times 3, because that's our grouping. I will write back my 3 plus 6 divided by 2 times 3 would be 6 minus 2 squared. I complete my G. Now I will work with my exponent. I can see that I have an exponent. So what I will do, I will rewrite my question. 2 squared would be 4. So I have completed the exponent. Now it's time for me to multiply or divide whichever comes first from left to right. In this case, I can see that I only have division, so I will be dividing these two numbers. So 3 plus 6 divided by 6 would give me 1 minus 4. I have completed my other step. Now for the final step, we will add or subtract whichever comes first from left to right. In this case, I can see that my addition came first, so I will add 3 plus 1, which is 4. I will subtract it from 4, so our answer will be 0. And I can check off my other step. Okay, so the second problem says solve the following expression. As always, I will start with my G, which is grouping. I notice I have 2 grouping, so I will work those first. I will write my 8 back. So 8 plus 5 times 2 to the second power. 2 to the second power would be 4. So 5 times 4 would give me 20. Minus 12 divided by 3 times 2 would give me 6. I have completed my grouping. I have no more exponent to work out. So now I can move to multiplying or dividing, whichever comes first from left to right. In this expression, we only have division, so I can go ahead and circle my division so I don't confuse myself. And notice I am including the sign in front of the 12. So now I have 8 plus 20, negative 12 divided by 6 would give me negative 2. I have completed my division. I am now moving on to the last step, which is to add or subtract whichever comes first from left to right. So 8 plus 20 would be 28 because addition came first, minus 2. So our answer would be 26. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to our channel for more math content videos. Bye for now.